Go ahead, ready, go.
Can I go?
You're on.
It's focused.
You're on.
Right now?
Yeah, you're on.
Go?
You're good.
Okay. Hello. I'd like to talk about the boiler room. First off, why a fire extinguisher inside? There's a fire extinguisher 1, 2, 3 steps away. Why do you need 2 fire extinguishers so close together? What's going on here? Also, if you come with me over here and you look at this, what is this? It's like an back up. It's like an outlet, but there's no holes. Okay? And I noticed something before I noticed something. If you go like this with your feet, make a 90-degree angle, and you go 1 step, 2 step, blue step, new step, you're right here to another empty outlet with no holes. What does this mean? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. You know what? I noticed something. As we look at this pipe and follow it, see where it leads.
And this is a result of
Hello? Oh, hey Grandma. Did you check under the couch? Yeah. Yeah. No, yeah. No, yeah. Yeah. No, no, yeah. Yeah. No, okay, bye. Right here, it ends right across from the boiler room. You know what? I'm beginning to think this isn't the boiler room at all. It's more like the oiler room. You know what? There are some things at the school going on that aren't normal, that are paranormal, phenomenon. Now, I believe that there is a conspiracy in the boiler room, that there's actually a secret government lab doing tests there. And I'm going to talk to the teachers, see what information I can get out of them. Disculpe Española. Sir, excuse me, just a minute of your time. Excuse me, sir, I
Get that camera out of my face.
Sir,
Get that camera out of my
just
face.
a quick interview, please. Just a minute of your time. So, Mr. A, do you know what's in the boiler room?
The boiler.
He sure left in a hurry. Okay, and as we move this way, whoa, stop. Look at this. Blue tiles. You know what? Let's follow these blue tiles and see where they lead. Don't step on these. Watch out. Look at this. All these blue tiles, no one knows what they're for. They lead right up to the boiler room, okay? Right up to here. Hi, I'm here with Mr. Caulfield, and Mr. Caulfield, do you know what's in the boiler room?
I have no comment about the boiler room at this time. Thank you.
Look at this, come here, get a shot of this. Okay. I've never seen this barrel before. Is it just a regular barrel, or is it a portal to another place? Let's find out. No, it's just a regular barrel. You know, this is a very interesting conspiracy, and I think I need to call in the Special Forces. Hello, Special Forces. I need your help.
I'll be right there. Right here.
Oh, hello.
we're here outside the boiler room to try and get some first words in on the person that walks out. And we want to hear what they have to say about what's really going on. And we're not leaving until we get some words and finally understand what is going on here. Because no one's given us what we want and what we need. We're not leaving these squares until we do. Moving a bit.
I like your jeans.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. American Eagle.
Yeah. So, my grandparents are visiting this weekend.
Oh, really?
It should be fun. Yeah.
Grandma Bubba? I think we got what we needed.
We showed them.
No. I'm in a meeting right now. I'll let you when it's over.
Did you see that?
Just doing a little research.
Alright, we're finally gonna see what's inside the boiler room. Locked. Interesting. I need special forces for this.
Expel Rhombus!
After special forces decharm the door, we can finally get inside and see what it really is. This is a school within a school. Look at this. Look, it has the same staff in the office over here. It's the same school within our school. So our principal, the same principal. It's like a replica of everybody. Look, there's a Willy right there. You know what? What's in this boiler room? There's another boiler room. Where does this lead? I got it now. Where are we? You know what, let's just go back. What the hell? Can you see what this is? This is another school within a school within a school. You know what? I bet the same stuff is in my locker. Because everything's the same and there's a copy of everything in these new schools. It is, and this is my ham sandwich. If I take this ham sandwich, go back through the boiler room to the old school, will I have two ham sandwiches? The copy ham sandwich and my ham sandwich? This is basically like a ham sandwich within a ham sandwich, not even a school within a school. Let's find out. You know what? Forget about the ham sandwich for now. It's period 3, so I'm in TV. I'm gonna go in there and find the copy of me within the copy of me in the TV studio within the TV studio in the school within the school within the school, or no, the school within the school within the school within the school or something. I don't know, let's go find out. Look, that's the copy of Miss Mania. You know what?
I'm gonna wear my glasses. So I'm not recognized.
Who are you?
Between you two, nothing.
I'm Mrs. Mannion.
Who am I?
You're Erin.
But where's the copy of me?
I don't know
Wh-
what you're talking about.
What is going on?
We have another one.
All right, we're on it.
As we go down the hallway and see, go back to the boiler room and find out.
Hi, Erin. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure.